Why should you learn Python? Let me simplify this question for you. So see, Python is not just about becoming a data scientist or a data analyst or a developer. It's a tool to make your life easier. Imagine you got thousands of your family photos that we all do, but imagine that you don't like those random names and you want to name all these files into an order. Either you can name all these files using Python or you have to do it manually. Like first, let's right click on this file name, then we have to click rename, then we have to enter file name, then we have to click enter. Oh my god, I'm already tired. Just kidding. It's easy when you have to do it for just a few files, but it becomes really impossible and you have to do it for thousands of files. We all can feel that pain. Now let's see what we can do with Python. We can just create a basic simple script in just few minutes, or if you are using ChatGPT, then you can do it in less than 1 minute. So we got our script here. Now what we have to do? Nothing, just click run and it will do all the work for you. Voila, we got all our files renamed. Isn't it easy? Now let's think of another example. Imagine your boss handed you a copy of hundreds of names and numbers and asked you to enter all these into Excel. That's gonna be a lot of typing and a lot of time. But if you know basics of Python, you can create a Python script that will do it for you. You just need to click picture of that paper with your smartphone and then give that image to your Python script and it will do all the work for you. Isn't it cool? It's very cool. These are just a few basic examples. We can do a lot more than that.
Imagine the possibilities!
The best thing about Python is that it's the easiest programming language. It has the simplest syntax. If you can understand basic English, then you can understand basic Python script easily. Let me give you an example. Pause the video and read what is written on your screen and guess what it does. If you have guessed it that it adds two numbers, then you have guessed it right. See how the syntax of Python is so much easy. It's just like plain English. I hope this video gives you some excitement to learn Python. If yes, then move along with me in the next video. We are gonna rock this tutorial.